Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about all those little tiny leftover flowers. You make a big arrangement, it's fabulous, but what do you do with the leftovers? Flowers are so expensive now, you want to be careful. So what I do, we call them bits, and we put them in little vases and we save them. Then at the end of the day, before you go home, take your leftover bits, put them all into one arrangement, maybe a little bit of broken hydrangea, maybe a tiny bit of boxwood, a single rose, all the things that you just would throw away, but all of a sudden it can become an arrangement. The little side shoots from chrysanthemums, tucking it in, a little bit of echinops. You can use all your leftovers. Then, if you've got something that's so tiny, just using a water tube, give it a cut so that it works, and then even a broken phalaenopsis. Just slide it in, tiny bit of glue on the sides of the tube, and then drop it right into the bouquet. And you can show profits from your leftovers and have it be beautiful. Now you know how the pros do it.